You see a small patch of mold on your wall and think, it's just a little spot. I'll wipe it off. But what if that one innocent mistake is actually spreading thousands of invisible spores all over your home, into the air you breathe, your furniture, even your clothes? Today, I'll reveal 5 common mold removal mistakes that most people make, and how these tiny errors can turn your cleanup into a full-blown contamination disaster. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because you won't want to miss our next home-saving hacks that protect your health and your home. Mistake number 1. Wiping mold without protection. Let's start with the most dangerous habit, wiping mold with a dry cloth or paper towel. It seems harmless, right? You just want to clean that ugly spot. But here's the truth. When you wipe dry mold, you're not removing it. You're releasing it. Those tiny spores scatter into the air, landing on nearby surfaces and creating new colonies. Without gloves, a mask, or goggles, those spores can even enter your lungs or eyes, triggering allergies, asthma, or other respiratory problems. So instead of wiping, always mist the area with water or a mild cleaning solution first. This dampens the spores, keeping them from flying into the air. Then wipe it carefully, while fully protected. Mistake number 2. Using bleach on porous surfaces. This one shocks most people. You've heard it 1,000 times. Use bleach to kill mold. But here's what no one tells you. Bleach only kills surface mold. On porous materials like drywall, wood, or fabric, the roots of the mold, called hyphae, go deep inside. Bleach can't reach them. In fact, the moisture from bleach can even feed the mold underneath, helping it grow back stronger. So while the surface looks clean, the mold is silently growing behind it. Use vinegar or hydrogen peroxide-based cleaners instead. They penetrate deeper and are safer for your health and surfaces. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the source of moisture. You can scrub, wipe, and spray all you want, but if the moisture source remains, the mold will always return. Leaky pipes, poor ventilation, or condensation from windows are mold's best friends. Think of it like cutting weeds without removing the roots. They always come back. If you just clean the surface but don't fix the humidity or leaks, you're fighting a losing battle. The real solution? Find the source, fix it first, and then remove the mold. Because prevention isn't glamorous, but it's powerful. Mistake number 4. Throwing contaminated items in the trash. Imagine this. You clean up moldy rags, paper towels, or old sponges, and toss them straight into your kitchen trash can. That's basically creating a spore bomb inside your home. Every time you open that trash lid, spores are released back into the air. Always seal contaminated items in a plastic bag before throwing them away. And take the trash out immediately. Even better, use disposable cleaning materials when handling mold, so nothing carries those spores back into your living space. Mistake number 5. Skipping the final rinse and dry step. Here's a mistake even professionals sometimes overlook. Cleaning the area, but not letting it fully dry. Moisture is like oxygen for mold. If you leave even a hint of dampness behind, spores will multiply again within 24 hours. After cleaning, always wipe down the surface with a dry cloth or paper towel, and use a fan or dehumidifier to remove lingering moisture. The goal isn't just to remove mold, it's to remove the conditions that mold loves. The right way forward. So remember, don't wipe dry mold, don't trust bleach blindly, and never ignore the hidden leaks. When you handle mold smartly, you don't just remove it, you stop it from ever coming back. Because a clean home isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling safe. If this video helped you understand mold better, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical home hacks that protect your space and your sanity. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Stay safe, stay clean, and remember, small mistakes can spread big problems, but small steps can also prevent them all.